Bitcoin is still very boring, with very low volatility, still consolidating. But during these boring times, you need to be prepared, because look at this chart. A major move is imminent. But first of all, starting off with the short-term Bitcoin chart, we can see something very interesting develop. Because we can be seeing that we are very beautifully range trading in between the support and resistance. And you might even say we are starting to create a bull flag right here. But in my opinion, a better way to approach this Bitcoin chart is having a look in towards this symmetrical triangle. Yesterday, of course, we had a look in towards this symmetrical triangle right here. And obviously, just like I told you guys yesterday, yes, we did get our breakdown. Because, of course, we were trading in the weekend and no CME gaps have been created because of this push towards the downside. As well as, of course, we were creating this hidden bearish divergence, which is going to be giving more bearish momentum to the Bitcoin price. But, of course, yesterday we were saying, all right, if we are going to be breaking out this pattern, it's going to be very likely to be a trap. But today, well, we got some very bullish news coming out just right now. Well, Fidelity Investments is also preparing to apply for a Bitcoin ETF. And guys, this is no coincidence. BlackRock and Fidelity almost at the same time applying for a Bitcoin ETF is no coincidence, and this will be very bullish for the Bitcoin price. And whenever there will be coming out an announcement that officially Fidelity has applied for a Bitcoin ETF, I just think we are going to be breaking out this pattern towards the upside. Okay, but as of for now, well, this is not yet happening, and I will still be saying I will be having a look in towards this symmetrical triangle. Look, we can still be breaking out this one towards the downside, and that would mean, of course, that this hidden bearish divergence is going to be played out, and that we are going to be getting some more bearish momentum coming in. But I do think it will be more likely in the end of the day that we will be getting another push towards the upside, and I will be going over the exact chart why I do think so. But first of all, let me make this very clear. Whenever we will still be trading in towards this downtrend, I will still remain bearish on the short-term Bitcoin price action. Okay, I'm just seeing some signals right now coming in towards the chart that are suggesting me that a reversal might be coming in anytime soon. But first of all, we need to be breaking this downtrend in towards an uptrend for me in order to flip bullish. Okay, that is very important to know. But what is also very important to keep in mind is that the volatility is right now sitting at historic lows. What you can be seeing is that the Bollinger Bands on the 4-day time frame are very, very narrow. Right now squeezing in the Bitcoin price with very low amount of volatility. And previously around, whenever this happened, you can be seeing that all of the time major Bitcoin moves have been happening. And this is not only happening right now on the 4-day time frame, but also on the 2-day time frame. So basically right now we can be seeing that volatility is sitting at historic lows. And whenever volatility is sitting at historic lows, well, all of the time, a few days after, well, we are going to be seeing a spike in volatility coming. So well, volatility is right now really imminent. We are about to see a massive move, and I think this massive move is going to come from this falling wedge that we have been creating over the past couple of weeks. So this falling wedge pattern is going to be decisive whenever we will be getting a breakout. I will be opening a $100,000 Bitcoin long position, alongside with the fact that, of course, we are still in a larger term uptrend on the 4-day time frame. Well, we are still in this uptrend, so technically, it is still smarter to actually open up any kind of long positions than shorting the Bitcoin market. As well as, of course, we are still forming this cup and handle pattern. We are having previous resistance right now turning in towards support. This is textbook classic analysis. As well as, of course, this inverse head and shoulders breakout right now also being developed and retested with this falling wedge right now. All pointing towards me, the fact that a massive move is imminent. With, of course, at the same time, these very large asset managers right now joining the Bitcoin space. And, of course, at the same time, the whales are still accumulating. This is, for me, just pointing out the fact that in the larger term trend, well, we are definitely going to be getting another very big push towards the upside. I believe towards the 31,000. So guys, you'll be the first one to know on my YouTube channel and on my Twitter page whenever we will be breaking out. And I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.